Hey guys, what's up? Ford Ranger Wildtrak 2023. So before pinakita ko sa inyo yung exterior, ngayon tingnan natin yung interior. So it's a keyless entry, shoot nyo na yung kamay, and this is the interior of a Ford Ranger Wildtrak. So as you can see, here's the engine start natin. Super ganda ng kanyang display. Built top of course. And then hinanang natin. So let's turn on the AC. Close the door. Let's check it out. So as you can see, I'm seated here. So it's reminding me to wear seatbelt. So yan guys, naka-auto climate. And ang kagandahan kasi dito, as you can see, yung mga air vents. So parang ano siya, forgot yung term. Pero ito, may display dito about the passenger info. And then this is the stereo. Let's go to home. So ang ganda ng pagka-touchscreen niya guys. Apple CarPlay, Android. So this is all wireless. Dito merong wireless charger. Saka ito yung cord, may handle. Really feels good. And hinanat yung aircon. So low. Paano ba siya i-low? So yun. So since naka-ano siya, ito yan. Yan yung fan. So ayan guys, yung interior ng Wildtrak, as you can see, ang ganda ng pagkahulma. Tapos meron siyang orange stitching pati dito. Leather, plastic, pero iba yung pagka-material ng plastic niya, maganda. And then nandito yung kanyang mga button sa window. Power of course, fold. Tapos dito meron dito mga, I'm not sure what, ano to. And then ito yung sa, yan yung sa kanyang cup holders. Tapos of course, nandito yung mga adjustment ng mga headlights. And then kung ano man dyan. Hindi ko kabisado guys. So, mas maganda sana ma-explore siya during nighttime. And of course, you have the cruise control, the wireless, hands-free, the audio. Dito yung switch, radio. So, ayan. Tapos, nandito yung ating charger. And then, meron siyang off ng traction control, electronic handbrake. Tapos, nandito yung kanya pag-shift ng gear. So, this is the display. Ayan. So, pwede nating baguhin siya, my view, towing, so whatever, kung ano man yung nandiyan dyan back. So, I'm not really familiar kung ano yung changes pa dito. But that's the thing, ito, maluwag yung kanyang lagayan. Ito yung sa seatbelt. Tapos, what's really nice is that you have this mirror. Tapos, meron ka ditong LED, of course. Tapos, lagayan ng shades. Tapos, dito yung mic. So, sa driver side, meron din. And then of course dito din. So yan, ito yung likod ng Wildtrak. It's all leather seats, very spacious. Tingnan natin yung likod. By the way, so dito na yung handle niya guys. So yan, you just have to press that to park. Okay? So ito guys, yung likod no. Maluwag siya. So see, maluwag pa siya dito. And then, dito yung kanyang aircon vent. Ito yung maganda dito. Type-C, normal USB, meron 12-volt socket. So, oh, hindi pala 12-volt. Talagang, outlet na talaga. So, ayan. It really feels comfortable. At saka, ang ganda nung pagka-leather seats niya dito. So, ayan. Swabing-swabe.